Hey guys, so I have some news for you guys. Like, it's not really good. You know, we want this YouTube channel to grow, but we ran into an obstacle, man. The other night, my cousin and I went to a car meet, and we fucked up. So guess what I'm whipping now? Yup. Fuck. This shit's embarrassing. Hold up. Can't flip it. Sheesh. Clean though, huh? With nice red paint, nice little 18-inch wheels. Nothing crazy. No, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. The squad's over here. The cousin's over there praying. By his whip, by our whips. The cousin is praying. Is your hat okay? Is your hat okay? Why do you keep moving it? Hey, flex the hat though. Flex the hat.
Custom shit, you already know.
Sheesh.
Glow in the dark.
That ran some pretty pennies. Don't even ask. Don't even ask. You know our squad's over there.
Manual's on live like always.
Man, he's on live and shit. Look at this. This fool actually beat me at the top end. We did like a 50 roll. But mine are better at 40 and 20s.
It's dirty.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. It's a little dirty.
He says don't get close to you. Son of a
Hey, you're scratching out my car. Sheesh. I'm not gonna show you guys too much. What's up, guys? TRISTEBOYZ back at it again. Thanks for tuning in. This video is based on the giveaway. So the other day we did a poll on Instagram, and we gave you guys options. We said if you guys wanted us to give you guys the reveal now or then on the giveaway. You guys chose now, and you guys didn't want the cash, so we're gonna be revealing the prize on Instagram, and my cousin will let you guys know about the details.
So in order to enter, you guys have to subscribe and like the video and send us a screenshot of it on Instagram, as well as comment down below on this video what your favorite car is that's been posted on all of our videos, as well as your Instagram handle. And from there, we're gonna write them down on a piece of paper. We're gonna do the drawing live. As far as the prize that we're gonna give away, it's gonna be on a post on Instagram, so also stay tuned for that. And our handle for Instagram is also the same thing as our YouTube channel, as well as you can find us on Snapchat and Twitter. Thank you guys for the love that you guys have been showing so far. We're 112 or 113 subscribers so far, so thank you guys for that. And yeah, you guys didn't want the cash, so now we got the ball out on something for you guys.
Yeah.
Alright, so now we're gonna get to the install on the tail lights I did for the FRS. Well, we did. Alright, so stay tuned for that.
Later.
Alright, so it's just taking off all those. Oh, he took some off already, but those little clips from right there, just so you could get access to that. And I believe, from what I heard, it's a 8mm socket you need for the screws that are in. Oh, can we bend it already?
Yeah,
for those screws to take them off and shit. So yeah. Alright, I got one of these bitches off. This stock shit. Dirty. It is.
All sucio.
She's a pesky whore. It's pretty easy though. As you can see, look, we're taking these things off, and we're just disconnecting the clips. These right here. So it's just connected to that. You can use a screwdriver, a little one, or you could just force it off. So this clip right here, it's connected to the tail light.
I disconnected it after I pulled it out.
Oh, you did?
The sensor.
It was easier.
What do you mean?
I pulled out the headlight and then I disconnected this.
Oh, okay.
I was struggling with it over there. You guys also have to be very careful with these, because when you're unscrewing them, they could just slip in, and then you're losing them forever in your fucking bumper. Look at this shit. Looking pretty?
Something new? Oh my gosh.
I guess I have to give me some alone time in my car.
Chill.
We're gonna see how it looks right now. We'll turn them on. Just before we fasten everything down and make sure everything's working right.
Jeez. Turn on your signal?
Damn.
Sequential or regular?
Whatever.
This looks nice though.
And then all you need to do is on the little button over here. And you just switch it.
Sexy. Oh shoot.
Sequential boys.
Pretty sick.
It's a pretty simple install. Just literally 4 bolts, and then you plug in the OEM cables and shit. It took us less than 5 minutes. Well, it took us a little long because we couldn't find the right socket. But
Preparation time is 3 minutes.
Yeah, it's super simple. It's it's changing up the whole look of the car.
Yeah.
So that's
Hell
how.
yeah.
We'll show you guys a little bit in the nighttime too, how the lights look when they turn on and shit. Yeah, it's just gonna tie up the back end. I know a lot of people have these already.
Fitment's nice, huh?
Yeah, super snug fitment, and they look badass, in my opinion. If you guys are hating, you just get those suck a dick. Let's go do the other side right now, and we'll show you guys the final product.
Picking them up.
No, all superheroes wear capes. This guy's a superhero. Superhero of the hood. Oh, what is that?
These are bomb.
Fuck it.
We're about to do the ice cream challenge.
How do you suck on that? Sheesh! Got the stick in there and everything. Trying to get all the chamoy sauce, huh? Shit. Out here with the big ice cream.
Alright guys, it's the finished product.
We got all the smoke. Literally smoke tail lights.
Damn. We'll show you guys if we remember in the night to turn them on so you guys can see the whole effect and shit, but this is it for right now. It's pretty clean. Ties up the back end because the front looks aggressive, just stock, but then the tail lights kill it. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in a bit. Guys, I almost forgot, but I want to show you guys the lights, how they look in the night. Everything lit up. So we do left, sequential, right, the emergency. Let's check out the reverse. That's how it looks, guys. Pretty dope in this car. Drop a like if you think this setup is dope right now so far. And the next thing I might do is coilovers to get rid of all this, and then I have some spaces to try out that my cousin gave me to get rid of all this right here. You guys can see. All right, but you guys have a good one. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.